My name is Daria Yazvenko. I'm from Russia. I studied international tourism management. Tourism is a fast growing and expanding industry. That's why you need to update your knowledge all the time and to be flexible according to the changing surroundings. What I've learned is the relationship between people, because we had an opportunity to study tourism in an international environment in a class of students who were coming from different countries. We've learned a lot of more of the meaning of the word international because we experienced this in real life situations, working together side by side and helping each other.